Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for reaching out on Facebook and taking the time to let me make you this quick video. I do want to go over a few things with you today, and I don't want to take up too much of your time. So, at the end of the video, if you could possibly give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So, the things I want to go over with you today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be made up of anything on your front page here, any wording that you use, any photos that you use, how those photos are saved and what's behind the photos are all a part of the content. So Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page. And within that content, you want to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for. So I did put your analytics, or put your excuse me, I put your website into a tool that we use to look at your analytics. And the first thing that you're seeing here is going to be the trust and the strength with Google. Now, the idea is this is a scale of 100. You want to keep them building up, but keep them as even as possible. Now, you are ranking for over 3,000 keywords, which is bringing 2,000 people to your website, which is awesome. And you also have over 1,000 backlinks from 598 different referring domains. Now, a backlink is going to be anything or anywhere that you find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all of the backlinks are the same. Not all of these links are created equal. Some of the links are spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative that will bring power to your website. And I'll be able to show you in comparison to some people, another website here, and what theirs are. So I pulled up a similar business and looking at their content, their photos here, and everything that they have here. Now, with them, I pulled up the analytics of their website. As you can see, that trust and that strength is a little bit higher than yours. And then they definitely have a lot more backlinks and a lot more keywords. And so if you see here, that's bringing almost what was like 19,000 more traffic to their website. So the idea is to be able to go through here and be able to start utilizing and building off of what like their backlinks are, seeing what the ones that they have that are going to bring that power, that strength, and everything to the website. Also, we're able to then look at the keywords. We're able to see what keywords they're using, what would work for your website, what's going to help be able to be utilized in your website to be able to bring that power to the website as well. You want to go after those buyer intent keywords, like all these like specific keywords for, I mean, there's a ton of different things with gift baskets I'm sure you could do. Now, another thing is utilizing a Google Business Profile. Now, in the Google Business Profile, they give you an About Us section. You have 750 words. The idea is to be able to use all 750 words of that About Us section and then be able to implement keywords into that About Us section as well. You also want to make sure you're keeping up and being very responsive to any messages, any reviews that you get. Make sure you're posting on your social media. Do branded posts, geolocated photos. That's all going to add relevance to your website. Now, another thing is citations. That's going to be where your business name, address, and phone number and things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau. By going out and giving your information to as many people as possible, that's going to increase the relevance to your website as well. So those are the tips and tricks I had for you today. I want to say thank you for reaching out and letting me make this video for you. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I am going to pass along my phone number and my email as well. You already have my Facebook, but you can message me anytime or call me, whatever works best for you. And again, if you could give me some feedback and let me know if this video was helpful, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great day.